Hi, it's Justin with MarineMax in Charleston, South Carolina, and today I'm going to show you a brand new 2026 Scout 177 Sport. I'm standing aboard this boat. It's got the polling platform here on the transom, as well as a 90-horse Yamaha 4-stroke motor. Really nice boat with a lot of great features. Under here lifts up when we have a pull-away igloo cooler. And then this boat is also equipped with Fusion stereo system, 4 speakers, C-Star Dometic trim tab, so the boat runs awesome. Moving forward, we got lots of walkway space here. You don't have to be impeded while you're fishing or using the casting net. Single seat here, rod storage, port and starboard to my side. And then I love this space up here. Tons of space to do some fishing or casting. And then anchor locker here forward. And one thing I want to point out, because you got the polling platform, we have some nice hooks here to put your pole. Again, this is Justin, MarineMax Charleston, aboard a 2026 Scout 177 Sport. Give us a call if you have any questions, or come on by and take a look.